In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk update prices in Shopify. Changing prices one by one is a headache, so let's walk through the fastest way to update a handful of items, or your entire catalog, in just a few clicks, while making sure your sale prices display correctly on your storefront. Start in your products list. This is where you'll choose exactly what you want to change. If you're running a store-wide promotion, the easiest move is to check the box at the very top to select everything at once. If you only want to target certain items, simply check the boxes next to those products. Selecting here sets the stage for a clean, controlled update so you don't miss anything important. With your products selected, click Bulk Edit. This opens a spreadsheet-style editor right inside Shopify. It looks and behaves a lot like Excel or Google Sheets, which makes quick price adjustments feel familiar. By default, you should see the price column right away. Think of this view as your control panel for updating pricing across multiple products and variants without jumping in and out of individual product pages. If you're preparing a sale and want that eye-catching strike-through effect, you'll use the Compare It price alongside your new, lower price. Move the current price into the Compare It price column. This tells Shopify, this was the original price. Then, type your new discounted amount into the price column. When Compare It price is higher than price, Shopify automatically shows the crossed out original price next to your sale price on your storefront. It's a small visual change that can make a big difference in conversions. You don't have to type every single price. Just like in a spreadsheet, you can update one cell, then drag the fill handle down to copy that value to the rest of the column. This is especially handy for products with multiple variants that share the same sale price. It keeps your updates consistent and drastically speeds up the process. When everything looks right, hit Save in the top right corner. Shopify will apply your changes across your site and checkout. A quick note, make sure the Compare It price stays higher than the price. If it isn't, the strike-through won't show. Also, double-check any unusual numbers or typos before saving to avoid surprises on live product pages. That's it. Prices updated, sale ready. You've just optimized your store for profit in minutes, not hours.